Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tarot card reading. So today's topic is for the particular sign, the Taurus. I am doing the love reading for the Taurus sign, the zodiac, sun, moon, rising. So you can watch this video. Doesn't matter you are in a relationship or not, and you are in a separated or married, unmarried, doesn't matter, it doesn't matter at all. You can watch this reading anyway. So one more thing, um, one more thing, that is, um, but what should I say this, I just forget it, it slipped out of my mind. So this is what I'm saying is, okay, I'll take the next one. So this is what I'm saying is, I'm just doing the what's coming up in your love life next. I'm doing this right now for the sign of the zodiac people, zodiac watchers who are watching this video. This is for those, the what's coming up next in your love life. And let me remind you again, this is just a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone out there. So you have to be open mind, you have to be take things with you and not and leave the rest for others. If not resonates with you, then leave the rest for others. So while I'm shuffling the cards, try to think about your person in your mind so I can tap into his energies. So then I'll get to know what's coming up next in your love life for the sign of Taurus. What's coming up next in your love life. Now let's start. Eight of Cups, the Star, Six of Cups, wow, Wheel of Fortune, so I'm just picking up here is the somewhere you or might be your partner, because I do think that it can be you, it's your energies are here, you are just putting your all emotions at your back, or it can be your partner's energies also, and now he's now become very much negative for the relationship things. Now he is not too much interested in the relationship things, and now he is wants to make the more money, he wants to work on the stability, because he is having a so much aggression inside him, or there is a energies also, he is too much energetic towards his work. But yes, he do put all his emotions at his back and moving forward without any emotion. He's not taking any emotion with him, only he is taking the stability with him. So I do pick up these kind of messages here. And there is a hope, but there is a hope. The Star card is pair up with the star cards. There is a hope in your connection. Whatever you are doing is going in a wrong way, but still there is a hope. There is your friend, someone is there in your circle which is going to help you out from this situation. If this situation is related to you, that means someone is in your circle which is going to help you out, to take you out of this situation. Or there is someone, his friend also, if he is now facing this situation in his life, then someone is in his circle that he will help you to him. Definitely he will help you, he will help him to get out of this situation, whatever he is doing right now. Because not at all, he is not happy, he's not happy, he's just only try to make himself very workaholic, only the thing is. And after few days, the things will be going to work out. He will come towards you with the solid offer. And now I do see that you are in a no contact situation, you are not people in a touch, and you are thinking about him a lot, and now he is turning back towards you, because you are manifesting him back, and you are manifesting him back. He is coming towards you with a solid offer, because there is a love, there is a feeling in your relationship, and he is really thinking about you, for you and for your relationship. The Wheel of Fortune card is here. The wheel is turning in your favor and it starts moving in your favor. So don't worry at all. The things are going to be positive soon. Your partner is going to reconcile with you. So you should only wait for the right time or the right moment. Because only the thing is, when we are waiting, the thing is like a mountain or a hill. The time is like a mountain or a hill, or you will think that how much big is this when it will passed on. So I do suggest, just give it a time, try to heal yourself on that, basically on that time. Just don't wait for that moment, or just don't obsessively wait for anyone. Just only give the time to yourself, to your person, and just let the things go as it is. It will, he or she will be come back to you for sure. Now let's take out the more cards. The Justice. I told you na, he will come back to you for sure. Only the thing is, you have to give him a time and you have to give him a space. So he will come back to you. He will give you whatever you want for, whatever you desire for in this connection. And he is continuously, he is thinking about you. He is continuously thinking about you. The Justice card is here. The Justice card means a lot because it shows the love, it shows the care, and it shows the justice. Whatever he does wrong with you, it will be rectified. He will rectify his mistakes. He will say apologize to you. He will come back towards you in the coming time for the sign of Taurus. Ace of Pentacle card is here. There is an offer coming in your way. It can be the new offer as well. If you are single for a very long time and he is with someone else, or your partner is with someone else and you just broke off for something else reason, but yes, there is a new love coming in your love life. There is a new offer coming in your way. So you have to open yourself. You have to think about that, and you have to be very happy. Make yourself have to be happy. Try to be happy. Don't be too much panic. Don't think negative, because something is happened here, is turning the wheel into your favor, turning the things into your favor. There is a Three of Pentacles. Let me take one more card. The Temperance and the Eight of Wands. He do think about you. He do really think about you, but somewhere he is not able to come out of that situation. But he is juggling his emotions. He is juggling his emotions in the positive way. He wants to be committed with you. He wants to be with you, but he don't want to be take the thing too fast. He just take the things too slow on the on normal basis. He just only try to be slow, and even the too much slow, only your relationship will grow gradually. So you have to give him a time, and you have to give him the space. The things will going to be turned in your favor soon. So don't worry about it. The things are going to be good in your love life. Now let me take out some oracle cards. Communicate clearly. Big happy changes. So there is the cards of the angels are want to guide you, that you have to communicate clearly. If you are having a communication gap, if you are having a communication problem, and you people are not able to communicate with each of them clearly, and you are not understanding the things, what is going on actually, then you have to communicate him clearly. The things will going to be in a very good way. The things are going to be come out with a positive way. So because the big and happy changes are ahead, there is a card with the big and happy changes. Everything is going to be changed in your favor. So you should wait for the right moment, for the right time. The things will be going to be with you soon, because now I'm seeing that he's coming back to you. The things are going to be changed in your love life for the single, separated, or relationship. So if you are a relationship and the things are not going to be in your favor, then don't worry, things are going to be in your favor. It fall out in your favor soon. So only the thing is, you have to be very positive. You have to be in a positive state of mind, so you can attract the positiveness in your love life again. So this is it for today. I hope you like my video. I hope you like my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.